In the crowded chaos of the railway station, a small boy appeared every day. In his hand, he carried an old basket filled with dusty, second-hand books. His face was smeared with dirt. His clothes were torn, his feet bare. But his eyes, they had a strange sparkle, the kind of sparkle only dreamers carry. People saw him as just another boy selling books. But the truth was, he didn't just sell books. He read them too. Whenever the station was less crowded, he would sit quietly in a corner and flip through the pages of those old books, as if searching for treasure. Most books were incomplete, many had missing pages, but he read every word as if it were gold. He loved stories, the kind that made you dream, that gave you strength to never give up, and that showed you a new way to live life. One day, a passenger saw him reading and laughed. "What's the use of these stories? You'll be selling books your whole life." The boy stayed silent, but made a promise to himself. "One day, I will write a book that the world will read." Time passed. He would read under the streetlight outside the station at night and sell books all day. He learned new words from old newspapers, improved his speech by talking to customers, and saved enough to buy cheap notebooks, where he began writing his own stories. Years went by. The boy grew up. He wrote a small book, a glimpse into his own life. The story of a boy who searched for hope in the darkness. That book did what he had always dreamed of. People felt truth and passion in his words, and the story touched thousands of hearts. Today, that boy is a famous author. His books are read all around the world, in schools, in libraries. Yet even now, he calls himself the boy who sold books, because he knows the real story is the one we write by believing in ourselves. And sometimes, he still visits the same station. He quietly sits in a corner, smiling, watching a poor child reading a book, because he knows one book, one dream, one shining eye can change everything. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Your support helps us bring more stories that inspire the soul, because sometimes one book, one dream, and one shining eye can change everything.